Right. Next up are epoxides, which are a subclass of ethers, but they're very different than ethers, even though they technically are an ether. Right. So let's take a look at what an epoxide is. So an epoxide is going to be our three-membered ring with two carbons and an oxygen, and then of course it can have up to 4 different substituents. These are relatively reactive, and they're reactive due to the ring strain. Right, we've got a three-membered ring, essentially like a cyclopropyl type of thing, but it's going to be very reactive because of that ring strain. That ring is going to want to open up. Overall, they're very common in nature on a molecule, and of course, they are generally a reactive part of the molecule. In terms of the nomenclature, let's go over that. So in general, what you call this epoxide is an epoxy, right? So this right here would be epoxy. That's how we identify that substituent. And then we just number everything that we have. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So that would be 7. That's heptane. If we think about the 2 position, there's a methyl there. So 2-methyl. And then we just want to identify on what 2 carbons our epoxide is, right? So this is 2-methyl, 3, 4, epoxy, heptane. Not the most neatly written, but you can rewrite it to make it look a little bit nicer.